My name is Amit. I'm a senior mentor at MPAEC. We are a CAT training institute based in Patna. I have been teaching CAT students, mentoring CAT students for past 11 years. Prior to that, I have worked for about 6-7 years in different corporates. Before that, my educational background goes like this. I have done my BTech and MTech both in mechanical engineering from IIT Madras. So this is my brief introduction. So students, those of you who are following our channel, we as you very well know that every day we post one good quality question for you, through which we try to explain some beautiful concepts which will be very handy in your CAT examination. So today also we'll discuss one important concept. Is called AMGM inequality. Okay, so we'll discuss that, but let us first read out the question. The question says that 2x plus 3y is equal to 18. So you have an equation with you 2x plus 3y is equal to 18, and you have to find maximum value of x cube into y to the power 6. We have to find maximum value of this expression x cube into y to the power 6, right? It is given that 2x plus 3y is equal to 18. Now before attempting this question, we'll first look at what is AMGM inequality, because as I told you before, this question is based on AMGM inequality. We'll discuss that first and then we'll come to this. So see, if there are, let's say, 5 quantities or 3 quantities, whatever it is, say there are 4 quantities, A1, A2, A3 and A4, there are 4 quantities. Then AM or arithmetic mean of these quantities is nothing but average. A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 divided by 4. This is my arithmetic mean. And there's something called geometric mean, which is A1 into A2 into A3 into A4 whole to the power 1 by 4. Had there been 5 quantities, the geometric mean would have been product of 5 quantities raised to the power 1 by 5. Had there been n quantities, the geometric mean would have been product of all the n quantities raised to the power 1 by n. And the arithmetic mean would have been sum of all the quantities divided by n. Okay, so this is arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Now, this inequality says that if you have some quantities, say A1 to A4, you will always have AM greater than equal to GM. Means AM is either greater than GM, or at max, no, or at minimum AM will be equal to GM. So AM is greater than equal to GM. And this equality holds when A1 is equal to A2 and so on is equal to AN if there are n quantities. So these two are equal only when all the quantities are equal. If all the quantities are not equal, then arithmetic mean or this expression will always be more than this expression. This is called AMGM inequality. Now this question, whenever you have sum of some x and y is given to you and you have to find the maximum value of product of those, you will always know this question is always based on AMGM inequality. We'll discuss now this question. Once you know what is AMGM inequality, there is no this inequality has a further extension which is HM also. So you have HM also included here, harmonic mean. But because harmonic mean there was no use of that in this question, so we are skipping that. So keep in mind there is also one more mean which is called harmonic mean, and the inequality also involves harmonic mean, but we have not discussed that simply because that is not in use as far as this question is concerned. Okay, now that we know what is arithmetic mean and what is geometric mean, and we know that AM is always greater than or equal to GM, and this equality holds only when all the quantities are equal, let us now attempt this question. इस क्वेश्चन को अटेम्प्ट करते हैं. देखिए यहाँ पे कह रहा है 2x plus 3y is equal to 18. Now see, if you break it like this 2x is x plus x and this 3y is y plus y plus y, right? 2x plus 3y is equal to 18. Okay, like this 2x plus 3y is equal to 18. Now see here, in this sum, we don't, if you apply AMGM inequality, let's say my quantities are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are our 5 quantities, let's say. Okay, so if you take this as your 5 quantities and then you apply AM, so AM will give you 2x, sum of all the quantities, 2x plus 3y divided by number of quantities. How many quantities are there? 5 quantities are there. So 2x plus 3y divided by 5 is your arithmetic mean, and geometric mean will be product of all of this. So x into x square, y will give you y cube, and raised to the power 1 by 5, because there are 5 quantities that we have considered here. Now the inequality would say you that 2x plus 3y upon 5, that is AM, is greater than or equal to x square into y cube to the power 1 by 5. But remember, we don't have to find x square into y cube. We have to find the maximum value of the expression x cube into y to the power 6. So if you go this way, you will not get this x cube into y to the power 6. You will get x square into y to the power 3. So prima facie, it does not appear as if this is the correct way. Okay. So, but there is a better. No, we can no, align this. So let me delete no, some things here, or let's say let us continue with the same. So this way of treating quantities as x, y will only, because there are only 2x, so you are getting x square. There are only 3y, so you are getting y cube. But we have to make 3x here, and we have to make how many y's? 6 y's. So how do you do that? So you'll say, because I have to make 3x, but there are only 2x here. There's only 2x here. So what I will do, I'll bifurcate into 3 different parts. 2x by 3 plus 2x by 3 प्लस 2x/3। अब अगर आप ऐसे देखोगे, इसको मैंने 3 पार्ट में इस 2x को क्यों डिवाइड किया? बिकॉज जब इसको हम लोग 3 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करते हैं, तो जब हम इनका जब प्रोडक्ट लेंगे, जब जीएम में प्रोडक्ट लेंगे, तो x x x मिला के क्या हो जाएगा? x क्यूब आ जाएगा। सिमिलरली इस 3y को हम लोग 6 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करेंगे, बिकॉज हमें 6y को मल्टीप्लाई करके y पावर 6 आएगा, राइट? तो इसको हम क्या करेंगे? 3y/6 दैट इज y/2 प्लस y/2 plus y/2 plus y/2 plus y/2 and one more y/2. So there are 6 y's now, and this whole sum will give you 3y. So this sum is 3y, and this sum is 2x. So you're getting this 2x plus 3y, and this we know is how much? 18, right? Now let me delete those things here. Now if you take AM and GM inequality, you'll get your required expression, that is x cube and y to the power 3. Now you'll get that. Okay. So let me do this. Now if you apply AM GM inequality, if there are say 9 quantities, 1, 2, 3, and then these 6 quantities. If you take AM of these n quantities, it will be sum of all the quantities divided by 9, because there are 9 quantities. So sum is how much? 2x plus 3y. Sum of all these quantities will be 2x plus 3y divided by how much? 9. And we know 2x plus 3y is how much? 18. So it will be 18 by 9, which is equal to how much? 2, right? So I know AM is 2. What will be the GM? Geometric mean will be product of all of this. So it will be 2 by 3 ka cube into x cube, and here you'll get 1 by 2 power 6 into y power 6 whole to the power 1 by 9, right? Whole to the power 1 by 9. This is what you'll get, because see, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 times. So 2 by 3 cube into x cube, and 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 6 times. So 1 by 2 to the power 6 into y is 6 times, so y power 6 raised to the power 1 by 9. So this is GM. I know that GM is less than equal to AM, which is how much? 2, right? So from here you'll get 2 power 3 upon 3 power 3 into x cube into 1 upon 2 power 6 into y power 6 is less than equal to this 1 by 9. If it goes this side, it will become 2 power 9, right? So now you can note, see, x cube into y power 6 is less than equal to, you take everything to the right hand side, So it will be 2 power 9 and 2 power 6. 2 power 15 minus this. See, this 9 and 6 will add up. So 2 power 15 and this 3 will be subtracted. This 3 will be subtracted, not this 3. So 2 power 15. So it will be 2 power 9 plus 6 minus 3. This will. And then you have 3 power 3. So which is less than equal to 2 power 12 into 3 power 3. Right. So this is your x cube into y power 6. Now, no, it's pretty obvious what will be the answer. This expression x cube into y to the power 6 has to be less than or equal to 2 power 12 into 3 power 3. So मैं यहाँ से कह सकता हूँ बहुत clearly कि x cube into y power 6 का जो maximum value होगा that will be 2 raised to the power 12 into 3 raised to the power 3. So this is our answer. This is the maximum value of x cube into y to the power 6. So I hope you have understood. Idea kya hai? The idea is that look at this expression. If there is x cube here, you have to divide this into 3 equal parts. We'll take 2x by 3, 2x by 3, 2x by 3. If this is y power 6 here, so you have to divide 3y into 6 equal parts. 3y by 6 is y by 2, so y by 2, y by 2 6 times. अगर यहाँ पे 4 होता तो इसको हम लोग 4 पार्ट में डिवाइड करते तो 2x by 4, 2x by 4, 2x by 4, 2x by 4 लाइक दैट. और देन उन सब क्वांटिटीज का am लेंगे और gm लेंगे. am लेंगे तो यही आ जाएगा 2x plus 3y, और जब gm लेंगे तो हमारा जो एक्सप्रेशन चाहिए x को 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई होना है बिकॉज हमने 3x वाले क्वांटिटीज लिए हुए हैं. सो एक्स क्यूब आ ही जाएगा. y के 6 क्वांटिटीज लिए हुए हैं तो y का पावर 6 आ जाएगा. So that is the basic idea. So this question was based on AMGM inequality. Remember students, AMGM inequality is a very important concept as far as CAT goes. There are so many different ways in which questions can be asked on AMGM inequality. We'll take some more questions later on the same idea, AMGM inequality. Hope you have understood the concept and the explanation of the question also. If you have not, then please give me in the comment section that you have not understood, which part you have not understood, so that I can come back and explain you through some other example in some other ways. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching our videos. Cheers. Best wishes.